We entered the downloaded website into the browser. Upon entering the interface, click the download button in the top right corner. Once the download has finished, extract the file you have just downloaded into the folder where you wish to extract it. Click on our unzipped software. Current status: our watch is not connected. Current status: connect our watch set to USB mode. Click refresh. The green color indicates that our link has been successfully established. You can search for the country map you require on it. Once located, download the map. Downloaded maps can select the city to download. City names are map information. Those marked with CM denote city contour lines. Click the copy button in the bottom right corner and wait for the download to complete.